Hello and welcome to the new tutorial of PDF Maker app. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate with make.com. Let's quickly get started. Firstly, click on integrations. Under integration, click on setup integration. This is the API key which we will be requiring while setting up the automation in Make. Just click on connect. Scroll down and connect an app with PDF Maker. For now, I'm going ahead with Google Forms. Once the app has been connected, swipe app. Under the trigger, click on Watch Responses. This means that every time your Google form receives a new response, it will trigger the automation. And for the actions, just click on Make a API call. Once both trigger and action has been added, Get Started, click on Get Started Free. Now a new scenario will be created in Make. First, we will set up the Watch Response module of Google Forms. Just click on it. Add the connection. For now, I have already added the connection with my Google Forms. We will enter the email form ID. So this is my desired form. I'll just copy the ID and we'll paste it over here. We can adjust the limit for the number of responses you expect so that PDF Maker generates a separate PDF for each submission. For now, I am going ahead with 10 as a limit and just click on save. Click on all and save. So this particular module has been set. Now we will set up the PDF Maker app. Click on that, add a connection, go back to the PDF Maker app, copy the API key, paste it over here and click on save. Under the URL as stated by them, just click on /PDF, change the method to post and enter the correct header. Under the headers, enter the correct key and the value. And for the body, go to the API code which you have configured previously in PDF Maker app. Just copy it and paste it under the body. I have pasted the body. Now just remove the values over here from here and I've replaced the value. Just click on it and replace the value with the corresponding questions from your Google Forms. Just click on it and expand it till you get the value. As you can see that this is the value which I will be requiring while fetching the data. So this has been added. The same process I will continue with the other question as well. Age, grade. I have to open it till I receive the value. Once that has been achieved, so you just have to add it under the correct placeholder. This process you will continue in all the questions. Once I have replaced all the placeholders with the corresponding questions from your Google form, just make sure you expand the question field until you see the value and repeat this process for all the required fields. Now just click on save. Wait for a second till this module will be setting up. So now this module has also been set up. You now just have to click on run once and both your watch response and a action will be triggered. As you can see, all of my responses has been triggered as per the action and the trigger which I have created in my Make. Now go back to your PDF Maker app, go to the templates and at the required template, click on this 3 dots, click on run history and here you will see all the responses PDF that has been generated. Just download it, PDF. As you can see, all of my data has been fetched as per the response which I have received in my Google form. So this is how simple you can automate your Make integration with PDF Maker. Thanks for watching. Thank you.